Hello students, today we are going to discuss about dihybrid cross. Here the law of segregation that we will try to understand. Hybrid cross in which two contrasting characters are taken for the experiment. Dihybrid inheritance involves two pairs of contrasting characters. For example, round yellow, that is capital R, capital Y, and wrinkled green, small r and small y seeds. Mendel crossed purebred pea plant having round yellow seed with purebred pea plant having wrinkled green seed and found that only round yellow seeds were produced in the F1 generation. From this, he concluded that round shape and yellow color of the seed were dominant over wrinkled shape and green color. So here, first of all, we are seeing like the parent 1 and parent 2. So here one is the wrinkled green cotyledon and here a round yellow cotyledon. So first for round RR and yellow YY, here wrinkled small r and uh, small y. These are actually gametes. These are gametes. So when the cross will be done, then the cross will be from 1 from here, R from here, Y from here, again R from here, Y from here. So in that way, the in F1 generation, the progeny formed will be of the same genetic composition, capital R, capital Y, small y. So in that way, the first filial generation, all round yellow cotyledons. In this, from the first generation, F1 generation, the round yellow cotyledon with hybrid type of, see here, key. Now we are discussing about key. These are hybrids. Capital R, capital Y, small I. When they are arranged like one male and one female, so here first of all we are going to find the gametes for these two parents. So if the gametes we are finding from here, then it will be capital R, capital Y, capital R, small r, capital Y, and small r, small y. So four type of gametes can be formed from these. So the same for male and female, these four types of gametes will be there. So after the formation of the gametes, when the cross will be done, then the system of the crossing, that is one from here, one from here, this will come here. So capital R, capital Y. So in that way, when we are finding these all, so this is the proper, all the offsprings are in that way. So when we will discuss about the result, when the F1 generation pea plant having round yellow seed were crossed by self-pollination, then four types of seeds having different combination of shape and color were obtained in second generation, F2 generation. They were round yellow, round green, wrinkled yellow, and wrinkled green. So how? Now it is seen here. We are seeing here, here capital R, capital Y, that is round yellow. Again round yellow, again round yellow, again round yellow. In the second, we are seeing that is round yellow, then round green, because two small y are there. Then round yellow, then round green. In the third line, round yellow, wrinkled yellow, wrinkled yellow. And in the fourth line, round yellow, round green, wrinkled yellow, and here wrinkled green, in that way. Now, how many round yellow are there? If we are seeing कि round yellow, total number of round yellow, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These all are round yellow. Then after that, next is the round green. For round green, we are seeing कि this is round green. So here this is round green, this is round green, this is round green. So 3 are round green. Then the things wrinkled yellow. So this is wrinkled yellow, this is wrinkled yellow, and this is wrinkled yellow. And at last it is wrinkled green. Here this. So in that way 9:3:3:1 the ratio is there. And while we are discussing about the genotype, then we will find how the genotype. This is first this is round yellow. Then these two are same, 2. Then 1, this is 1. Then again 2, this and this. Then 4, these all are 4, same thing. Then 2, that is round green and round green. Next is the 1, that is wrinkled yellow. And then wrinkled yellow and wrinkled yellow. The same composition, same genes. And here at last, that is wrinkled green. So in that way 1:2:1:2, and 4:2:1:2:1. To remember this, you can say 1:2:1:2:4:2:1:2:1. In that way you can remember the things. So in that way here everything is arranged in tabular form, how the genotypes are shown here. Now, how are characteristics or traits transmitted to progeny? The characteristics or traits of parents are transmitted to their progeny, that is offsprings, through genes present on their chromosomes during the process of sexual reproduction. कि सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन में जो क्रोमोसोम्स हैं वो ट्रांसफर हो जाते हैं, वो ट्रांसमिट हो जाते हैं उसके पेरेंट से उसके प्रोजेनी में या ऑफस्प्रिंग्स में. Male gametes and female gametes carry one gene for each characteristics from the gene pairs of parents which are located on the pair of chromosomes. कि क्रोमोसोम के पेयर में वो जीन लोकेट होते हैं और वो जीन हमेशा पेयर्स में रहते हैं पेरेंट्स में. Both the gametes fuse to form zygote with a full set of genes, one from male and the other from the female, because in the gametes only one gene, one allele of a pair of gene is present. The zygote develops into a new organism having characteristics or traits from both the parents which it has inherited through genes. कि जीन्स से जो इनहेरिट किए हैं, तो जो जाइगोट डेवलप कर रहा है नए इंडिविजुअल में, नए ऑर्गेनिज्म में, उसमें जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होंगे वो दोनों पेरेंट्स से होंगे, क्योंकि वो जीन्स तो दोनों पेरेंट्स से आए हैं, आधा मेल से और आधे मतलब मदर से, आधे फादर से. सो इन दैट वे द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द ऑफस्प्रिंग्स show the characteristics of both the parents. देन हाउ डू जीन्स कंट्रोल द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स और ट्रेट्स? जीन्स आखिर कैसे कंट्रोल करते हैं कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स को, ट्रेट्स को? द जीन इज द section of DNA on a chromosome which codes for the formation of a protein controlling a specific characteristic or trait of the organism. कि जीन क्या है? डीएनए का एक पार्ट है, एक सेक्शन है, और डीएनए कहाँ है? क्रोमोसोम में है। कि वो एक कोड उसके पास होता है जो किसी भी एक प्रोटीन को तैयार करने के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है। उसी प्रोटीन के माध्यम से वो स्पेसिफिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स और ट्रेट्स को कंट्रोल कर सकता है। If the progeny has gene for tallness, it will give instruction to the plant cells to make a lot of plant growth hormones so that the plant will become tall. कि अगर मान लीजिए टॉलनेस के लिए जीन है तो ये इंस्ट्रक्शन देगा सेल को, प्लांट सेल को, ज्यादा से ज्यादा ग्रोथ हार्मोन बनाने के लिए, कि जब वो ज्यादा ग्रोथ हार्मोन बनेगा तो ऑटोमेटिकली प्लांट का हाइट जो है वो बढ़ने लगेगा। Similarly, if the progeny has gene for dwarfness, then less plant growth hormone will be produced so that the plant will become short or dwarf. कि अगर हम लोग देखते हैं कि जो जीन है वो ड्वार्फनेस का है, तो ड्वार्फनेस का जीन कब हो सकता है? जब दोनों एल ड्वार्फ के होंगे। अब वो क्या करेगा कि प्लांट सेल को फोर्स करेगा कम से कम ग्रोथ हार्मोन रिलीज करने के लिए, तो ग्रोथ हार्मोन कम होगा तो प्लांट ऑटोमेटिकली ड्वार्फ हो जाएगा। In human beings, the transmission of color of hair like black and blonde, कि हेयर के जो कलर होते हैं या तो ब्लैक होते हैं या ब्लॉन्ड यानी भूरे होते हैं, take place in the same way. Black hair is a phenotype produced by the genotype HH capital H. और अगर ब्लैक हेयर है तो निश्चित रूप से ये जो है वो डोमिनेट होगा, डोमिनेंट कैरेक्टर का होगा, और जो स्मॉल एच है वो रिसेसिव होगा, जिसको ब्लॉन्ड हेयर बोलते हैं। ऑन द अदर हैंड, ब्लॉन्ड हेयर, प्लेल येलो हेयर इज ए फिनोटाइप प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द जीनोटाइप स्मॉल एच। हियर एल कैपिटल एच डोमिनेट्स ओवर स्मॉल एच। तो इस तरह से हम लोग कि कैरेक्टर्स जो है वो किस तरह से कैरेक्टर्स पास आउट होंगे, उसमें कौन डोमिनेंट कैरेक्टर है, कौन रिसेसिव कैरेक्टर है, इस तरह से जो कैरेक्टर्स हैं वो एक जनरेशन से दूसरे जनरेशन में जीन के माध्यम से चले जाते हैं। थैंक यू।